Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lapping plate like this one. This is made out of 1/4 inch tempered glass, which I think is the best thing to make it out of, but I'm going to make it today out of some plexiglass, which also works. These lapping plates are used for tuning up tools and flattening metal surfaces, like the back of a chisel or a hand plane blade. And all you need to make one is some sandpaper and a piece of glass or a piece of acrylic, and some spray adhesive. This can be used to tune up tools or to sharpen chisels by using really fine sandpaper. I'm going to use some coarse sandpaper today, 80 grit and 120 grit, because I already have sharpening stones and I really need this for the coarse grit for doing very rough work. I'm going to put the sandpaper end to end so that it gives me a really long surface to lap things against. I'll just go ahead and rip this piece of sandpaper in half using a straight edge. Then you need to spray this spray adhesive on the back of the sandpaper and adhere it to the surface. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area while doing this. And then press it down to the surface, making sure to smooth out any bumps while you do it. Then I'll do the same thing with the other piece, putting it right next to the existing piece. I'm also going to put 80 grit sandpaper on the other side, so I have a more coarse surface I can use. Then I always make sure to spray my spray adhesive upside down to clear the nozzle out so it doesn't clog. That's pretty much all there is to it. It's really great for flattening the bottom of hand planes or the backs of chisels. And this is also a good way to sharpen your chisels if you don't own any sharpening stones. It's a very cheap way to get into sharpening your own tools. One of the benefits of having sandpaper on both sides is that while you use it, it doesn't slide around because it grips onto the surface. So that's pretty much it. It's a really quick and easy build, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and good luck with your sharpening. Bye.